In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. Begin by opening settings. Then you need to choose security section after scrolling down and scroll down again. Following that, click on face unlock. Now enter your current screen lock and then click on setup at the bottom right corner after reading the disclaimer. Then click on setup at the bottom right corner one more time after reading the instructions, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust those face unlock options by clicking on the switchers next to those two features, and when you're ready, click next at the bottom right corner. Then click on done at the bottom right corner one last time. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and then turn it back on. I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!